The release of 2,000 pages in Miss Maxwell's case is not only explosive and salacious, it's also very damaging to her criminal case. One of the biggest bombshells is that Miss Maxwell was allegedly scouting Paris Hilton in the early 2000s, believing that she was the perfect partner for Jeffrey Epstein.
Paris would have only been 19 at the time that explosive claim was made by journalist Christopher Mason, a former close friend of Maxwell, in the new Lifetime documentary, Surviving Jeffrey Epstein.
A friend of mine was at a party and Ghislaine said, "Oh my God, who's that?" and was looking at this sort of pretty young sort of teenage girl. And she said, "Do you know her?" My friend said, "Yeah, she's called Paris Hilton." And Ghislaine said, "Oh, God, she'd be perfect for Jeffrey. Could you introduce us?"
The documents also revealed this troubling claim about Prince Andrew.
We also learned, and it's one of the more bizarre things that we've learned, is that allegedly Prince Andrew was given finger puppets by Miss Maxwell, and that he acted out with the finger puppets what sexually he was going to do to minor Roberts. Prince Andrew has repeatedly denied the accusations against him in this case. But perhaps the biggest revelation, through these documents, we learn that she wasn't just procuring young girls for Jeffrey Epstein, she was allegedly procuring them for herself, and often referred to these girls as her slaves, not Jeffrey Epstein's, her slaves. Why is this important? If there was any thought that her and her defense team was going to argue that she had nothing to do with it and only did things at the bequest of Jeffrey Epstein, these documents prove otherwise.
Well, Maxwell has pled not guilty in her case. The judge has set a trial date for July 2021.